So this is the Airbnb where Lynton and I are staying, and it's really is a lovely place. It actually comes with your own chef, and here is the chef.
Very well paid chef.
Highly paid chef. Bacon and eggs. Breakfast of champions. Airbnb comes with farm fresh eggs and some strawberries and yogurt. And the aforementioned cookies, these were provided by the Louis family. So this is one of the 2 bedrooms, and I've got to say it is pretty exceptional. And that is the view out the window. And last night there were a whole bunch of cows just out there. It's pretty cool. This is the hallway down to a second little lounge area. And this is Lynton's room, which is a tip, but that's to be expected as he's a teenager. And this over here is little laundry with a spare toilet and a vanity. This bathroom here, this is a real treat. There's the proper bath, beautiful shower, big shower head, and Aesop, or however you say it, vanities. Whatever. Body wash. And then here, take a look at this. I'm going to believe that. I've got a very good friend, Debbie, who is quite well known for taking stuff from hotel rooms, and I'm pretty sure she would love to take the bath bombs and all of these. So Debbie, you need to get yourself out to this B&B. You know who you are. The ultimate test in a B&B is if there's any Klingons on the toilet brush, and that toilet brush is spotless, and actually I've already used it. Right, breakfast made by Lynton, and here are the trout rods ready to get a workout today somewhere in the Barrington tops. Little wagtail checking out our rods. Maybe that's my late father. That's Peter. So day 2. I don't think we were going to catch fish yesterday.
Not very fishy.
No, not really fishy. Even though we did see somebody on the river who has caught trout there before.
Yeah.
And we're going to keep the name of that river confidential, like the one today. Just suffice to say, we're in the Barrington tops, around the Moonen Flats area.
Near the big tree.
Near the big tree. All right, let's give it a go. That's one. Oh, that looks good. First bow narrow cast. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Watch that. Let that come back to you. A little bit further to the right next time. Weeb temperature check. Right, outside. 24 in the water. 13.
Just because your new bag is black doesn't mean we don't know that you got a new one. Do you want to show me what's new about it?
Thank you for asking, Lynton. This is the Hyperlight Mountain Gear Aero 28 running pack. But I'm trialing it out for fishing. and it's got lots of nice stretch pockets. So I've got some flies tied by Grant Hilda of Real Fly Fishing in here. A whole bunch of beautiful patterns. No, don't get too close, they're secret. And then a little mag pad here, magnetic for the flies.
Oh yeah.
And then in the top here, I've got my forceps, and crucially, tucked down in here, because these are quite deep, because they're meant to hold a water bottle, a soft water bottle. I've got my Weaver temperature gauge.
Straight from the barbecue.
Yeah, straight from the barbecue. We now don't have a way to measure meat on our barbecue at home.
Oh, that's alright.
Trash stash over here.
Oh, yeah.
And some hatch nippers. Don't leave home without the hatch nippers.
Yeah.
And then on the side, in my top one, I've got my phone. And then down below it, again, because it's a long pocket, because it's for the flexible hydration water bottles, I've got my spare batteries for my Osmo Action 5. And then down at the bottom here, I've got another little set of flies. And this is the fly patch that's made in France that I'm trialing.
Wow.
Okay, yeah, I know, thank you. And then there's a little zip here, and in the zip I've got a bunch of different tippet. I've got some Rio and Hannock tippet, just in case in the conditions today or tomorrow or the next day I can't see my sighter. And then these are the shake, again on one of these little French sort of holders, and the Aquel, again on a little French one, and then on a loon retractor, I've got my Trout Hunter tippet, and I've got my little tippet rings just here on the Trout Hunter tippet.
Oh yeah.
And then in the back, I've got my I've got an Orvis Pro jacket, and I've got another little bag for food, and another little fish pond bag for odds and sods. And then here's my water bottle holder on the side, the one that Peachy recommended, and I've got a tripod on the side for when I catch that big fish and I need to do a grin and show.
Yeah.
There we go.
Very good.
New setup. Don't tell Mom.
I won't tell her, don't worry.
So that was just a nice walk in the woods, hey?
Yeah, pretty much.
Beautiful stream.
Very nice stream to walk up. Yeah.
But just too shallow.
Very shallow.
A little bit like yesterday.
Yeah.
Can't find the deeper waters. So let's relocate. Pole Blue walk. And there are some horses over there. There we go. So, second spot of the day, second river of the day.
Yeah.
There's a river there in the distance. And we think we've seen a trout rising over there
a couple times.
To the left.
Yeah.
Let's give that a go. At the secret spot in the Barrington tops. Go right down to the river's edge. That's it. Let that go. Let it go. There we go. You see how it's going? Okay, now you want to try and get it up further to your right. There we go. Strike. Okay. We had our first take of the trip. Right, second river of the day. Lynton's fishing dry dropper. And we've had the one take. Oh, that's a good cast. Fish that, lovely. It just doesn't happen every day. Second Weaver temperature check. 27 outside, and the water is 19. So I reckon that second spot has the most potential
Definitely.
of the 3 we've fished so far.
Yeah.
So maybe we give that a go tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll come give it a proper hit tomorrow with
Perfect.
full energy.
Full energy. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Alrighty, that's it for today. Dingo fence. Got little Joey. There's the femur, still surviving. Pretty special part of the country. There we go, hey? Pretty stunning.
Not bad.
It's pretty, well, it's not bad, it's pretty good.
Not too bad.